What's going on, guys? Brandon Witt with Kontek Industries here, and today we've got our mobile modular shoot house set up behind me. Today we're going to go through the basic components of the shoot house and how we go about setting that up. So let's get right into it. The shoot house components are honestly very simple. It's made up of a couple of different components, and we'll start off with arguably the most important, the framework of the structure. We have our vertical aluminum stabilizer here with our aluminum quad connector. What this quad connector allows you to do is set up your shoot house in a grid-like configuration of your choosing, and then be able to reconfigure rooms as you see fit in a really easy manner. The second piece of the framework is our aluminum horizontal stabilizer. What this is gonna do is provide structural integrity to the entire system and allow you to build out hallways as well as the framework of the structure. So really, the concept of setting up the framework is very simple. We're gonna have our vertical stabilizer and our quad connector standing right up. The horizontal stabilizer is going to slot directly into that quad connector. So what we're going to do is we're going to run that screw through the top or bottom of that horizontal stabilizer. We'd recommend using an impact drill with a drill bit that fits the screw. Final main component of the shoot house are our wall panels. These are 4x7 expanded PVC panels, and really these are going to make up the entire structure of the shoot house. These are going to be secured through the 4 holes you see on this panel via an industrial 250-pound rated zip tie. So those are the components. They're very, very simple. Let's get right into building the extension of the shoot house. All right, so as you can see here behind me, we've got part of our mobile modular shoot house set up for law enforcement training, demo days, stuff like that. And what we're going to show you now is how we would add on an additional room to the shoot house and what those steps would kind of look like. So we'll give some instructions here and we'll show you how it's done. So whenever we're setting up a brand new shoot house, or maybe we were just adding an addition onto an existing shoot house, the process is going to look about the same. So what we're going to do first is with our vertical stabilizer and our horizontal stabilizer, we're going to set up the framework for the perimeter of the building or the shoot house. So as you can see right here, we're going to start off by attaching the horizontal stabilizer to an existing connector via one of the screws here. And this is how we're going to build the framework out, as large as you want to make it. So for this particular setup, we're going to do an addition of a hallway to the structure. So it's going to be 2 panels wide with a breech door on the end here. And from there, we're going to add panels and secure those panels with the framework. All right, so step 1's completed. We've got our framework up with our verticals, our quad connectors, and our horizontal stabilizers. The next step is going to be putting up the wall panels and securing those wall panels to the framework. So one other thing we want to point out, whenever we're building a hallway of any kind, you can see we've extended this hallway here. We want to be adding horizontal supports across the length of the hallway so that that entire structure is stable and supported. All right, so as you can see here, really the process is very, very simple. We're going to set the panel down so it's in line with the framework, and at the top and bottom of the panel in all 4 holes, we're going to be securing it to the framework with 250-pound rated industrial zip ties. What's great about these zip ties is it allows for reconfiguration of the shoot house, whether it be the whole structure or a specific room, very, very quickly, and allows you to just change out those parts without much work. All right, so now we've got our hallway extension set up. With the wall panels here, we're going to cap it off with a light breaching door. So now we've got our hallway set up, our breach door set up, and really the last step here is tightening all of the industrial zip ties that we have here. We want to make sure that the wall's in line and that this is structurally sound before we go up and tighten anything, because after we tighten everything, it's a little bit harder to adjust. What we're going to use to tighten the zip ties here is the zip tie tightener and cutter that comes with your shoot house kit. So in a nutshell, those are kind of the steps to putting up our mobile modular shoot house, whether you're building a new structure or just adding on to an existing shoot house structure. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out info@kontekindustries.com. Thanks so much.